Genesis ends with a bang. Niyazi guys ukuthi kuleli iviki lokugcina ke sibuka ke o Wendy, iviki lokugcina sibuka oFistos, iviki lokugcina sibuka oMaruna. So iyaphela guys Genesis kuleli viki. Itori eningi guys angazi but nje kwasengazothi ke ziyaphela ke kuzoqala ke ezintsha kuphela o-Smoke and Mirrors, o-House of Zwide, konje person stories esiphelayo, o-House of Zwide yona iGenesis nayo iyaphela. So nje guys itori eningi ziyaphela. NeGenesis is one of them. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today we're talking about Genesis. As you know ukuthi ke mangabe kuyi weekend sesin update ukuthi yini ongasoyilindeleke kwiviki eliqalayo. Well guys, niyazi ukuthi ke kupheleke kuphithene ngampela ke Bonko ethi uyahamba ke uyolanda ke uMaruna eGhana. Ngathi ukwazile ke impela kumlanda eGhana, and ke guys mayebuya naye uthi ke uyashada ke uyamshada uMaruna. uMaruna uthi ke noma ke umama kaBonko uthi ke uyomshada uMaruna ngifile. So asazi ke kuzokwenzeka nani ngaleyo promise ke ka Felicia guys ukuthi uyoshada ke uMaruna efile, because laphayana ke on Friday but Felicia finally accept uMaruna, but the universe has other plans. So the question is kuzokwenzekalani? What is this other plans that universe have for uMaruna kanye ke no Felicia umamezala wakhe? And ke guys on the other side sibona ke uMpumi or the whole family yakaSedibeng ilwa no Gabriel. Asazi uGabriel twinzeni, but ke guys upushe ke uMpumi to the limit, and uMpumi uphethe isibhamu, and I'm thinking ukuthi it might end, the story might end with impilo ke ka Gabriel guys. uMpumi might kill uGabriel, or I don't know, maybe uzovela dubule uMaruna ngephutha, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out ukuthi njengoba uFelicia finally acceptile uMaruna, but universe has other plans. What is that other plans universe enayo ke for uMaruna no Felicia? But guys, I just wish ukuthi the singaba ne happily ever after, just like it happened with Smoke and Mirrors laphana ke between uBonko kanye ke no Maruna guys. Maruna have been through a lot, has been through a lot, so we are just wishing ukuthi ke bangayivala kahle bakithi, bangayishinje iphithizela, but uGabriel yena kufanele ukuthi akhokhe, kudala ehlupha bakithi. So guys, yeah, it's a finale, series finale. So that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ubani ke ozomkhumbula kakhulu ke kulomdlalo. Mina shem ma Wendiza shem, hayi Wendy yo kuyawubuja ke ngonyana wako Sedibeng umama wamantombazane okudala ke ewalwela ngayo yonke indlela abecabanga ukuthi right ngakhona bungeke uzoyithinta ke impela ingane kaWendy yo. Shem, that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.